Thai cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, colors, and traditions. With over 40,000 street food vendors in Bangkok alone, it's a culinary paradise. Tom Yum, Thailand's iconic soup, embodies this richness. Its origins trace back to central Thailand, where it was traditionally made with freshwater shrimp. Today, it's a global sensation, representing the perfect balance of sour, salty, spicy, and sweet, a hallmark of Thai cooking. The soul of Tom Yum lies in its fresh ingredients. Lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and bird's eye chilies are essential. These are sourced daily from local markets, ensuring peak flavor. For instance, galangal, a ginger relative, adds earthy notes, while kaffir lime leaves contribute citrusy depth. Shrimp, mushrooms, and tomatoes provide texture. This commitment to freshness is why 78% of Thai households cook Tom Yum weekly. Tom Yum's broth is its foundation. Shrimp heads and shells are simmered for hours, releasing umami-rich flavors. A 2022 study found this method extracts 60% more glutamates than store-bought stock. Aromatics like lemongrass and galangal are bruised to release oils, while chilies infuse heat. The broth is strained to achieve clarity, a mark of traditional Tom Yum Goong. This process reflects Thailand's Samrap philosophy, meticulous preparation for harmonious results. Thai cuisine thrives on balancing four core flavors. In Tom Yum, lime juice, sour, and fish sauce, salty, are added first, typically 2 tablespoons each per liter. Chilies, spicy, and palm sugar, sweet, follow. Research shows this sequence maximizes taste receptor response. The heat index varies. Southern Thai versions use 10 to 15 chilies, while Central Thai opts for 5 to 8. This balance isn't just taste, it reflects Thailand's cultural harmony principles. Tom Yum's presentation is ritualistic. The soup is served in a gang bowl, symbolizing abundance. Garnishes like cilantro, lime wedges, and whole chilies are arranged clockwise, a Thai superstition for good fortune. The steam should rise vertically, indicating perfect temperature. A 2023 survey revealed 92% of Thai restaurants use this plating style. The bowl's warmth is maintained via fired clay vessels, a technique dating to the Ayutthaya Kingdom, 1351 to 1767. In Thailand, Tom Yum is communal. Families share one large pot, reflecting Kreng Jai consideration culture. Elders serve first, then others clockwise. A 2021 study showed 67% of Thai families eat Tom Yum together weekly. The soup's spicy heat encourages conversation and water sharing, strengthening bonds. This tradition stems from 19th century rural Thailand, where villagers pooled ingredients to create nourishing communal meals during lean seasons. Tom Yum's street food version is Thailand's fast food. Vendors use pre-made broth, cutting cooking time to 3 minutes. A 2020 Bangkok survey found 150 Tom Yum stalls per square kilometre. The soup is served in plastic bags or cups for portability, a practice started in the 1980s tourism boom. Key differences: fewer shrimp, 2-3 versus 5-6 in restaurants, but extra chilies, catering to office workers seeking quick, fiery lunches. For tourists, Tom Yum is a rite of passage. The first spoonful triggers endorphins. Studies show capsaicin from chilies causes a mild euphoria. Reactions range from delight to tearful gulps of water. Guides recommend starting with Pet Nit Noi, a little spicy, but 58% of first-timers overestimate their tolerance. This experience epitomizes Thailand's Sanuk, fun philosophy, turning meals into memorable adventures. Tom Yum varies across Thailand. The central version, Tom Yum Goong, uses clear broth and river shrimp. Southern Tom Yam Thale adds squid and mussels, with 30% more chilies. Northern Tom Yum Nam Kon incorporates coconut milk, a Burmese influence. Isan's version omits shrimp for pork ribs. A 2022 culinary census documented 17 regional variants, each reflecting local geography and history through ingredients. Cooking schools teach Tom Yum as Thai Food 101. Students learn to bruise lemongrass properly. 45 degrees angle cuts maximize oil release. A common mistake, adding lime juice while boiling, it turns bitter. Ideal temperature is 85 degrees Celsius, preserving the herb's volatile compounds. These classes attract 500,000 annual participants, generating $30 million for Thailand's tourism. Many recipes originate from the 1860s Royal Court cooking manuals. Gourmet chefs are reinventing Tom Yum. Michelin-starred venues serve deconstructed versions, broth as a spuma with sous vide shrimp. Molecular gastronomy techniques create chili caviar. Fusion experiments include Tom Yum pasta, 37% creamier than Alfredo, and Tom Yum margaritas. Critics debate authenticity, but these innovations attract younger diners, increasing Thai restaurant revenue by 22% since 2020. Food critics hail Tom Yum as Thailand's edible ambassador. The soup ranks number 3 on Taste Atlas's 2023 World's Best Soups, scoring 4.8 Fev for flavor complexity. Key praise: its adaptability, from street stalls to luxury hotels. Critics note regional authenticity. Bangkok versions average 15% less sweet than overseas adaptations. Social media amplifies its fame, with Tom Yum having 6.2 million Instagram posts, often tagged with soul food. The annual Tom Yum Festival in Chonburi draws 200,000 visitors. Highlights include a 1,000-litre communal pot, Guinness record 2019, and Tom Yum eating contests, record 8 bowls in 5 minutes. Local chefs compete for Most Authentic and Most Creative awards. The festival boosts regional economy by $4 million annually. Cultural performances recount the soup's history, from Ayutthaya-era royal kitchens to 1970s tourism staple. MasterChef Boonsong72 recalls Tom Yum's evolution. In my childhood, we used wild herbs from forests near Chiang Mai. Now, global demand means exported kaffir lime leaves fetch $15 kilograms. He laments shortcuts. Instant pastes lack galangal's subtleties. Yet he celebrates its global journey. Tom Yum connects Thais worldwide. One sip, and you're home. His secret? A pinch of coriander root, an old Chiang Rai technique. Tom Yum is more than soup. It's Thailand in a bowl. Each element tells a story. The sourness of coastal limes, the saltiness of Siamese sea salt traditions, the spice of jungle chilies, the sweetness of royal palm groves. UNESCO recognizes it as intangible cultural heritage. Whether street stall or starred restaurant, Tom Yum remains Thailand's culinary heartbeat, a 700-year-old recipe still beating strong.